solve the following, which means we need to find the unknown, which is the value of n in this case. So this is an indices problem whereby all the bases can be changed to the same base. Okay, so 27 can be changed to 3 to the power of something, and this 3 is already there. Even all these 1s can be changed to 3 to the power of something. Alright, remember, anything to the power of 0 is always 1. So even 3 to the power of 0 is the same as 1. Alright, so 1 over 27 is actually 1 over 3 cubed. Divide by 3 to the power of n, whole thing has a half outside, equals to 1, and that 1 is 3 to the power of 0. Now, how do we shift these 3 upwards? Okay, remember, to shift it from bottom to top or top to bottom, all you need to do is to reverse the sign. Okay, so let's say you already shift it to the top. The sign of the power will change from positive becoming negative. Okay, divide by 3 to the power of half n. When there is a bracket, we remove the bracket by multiplying the powers. So everything equals to 3 to the power of 0. Now, for some of us, we are not so comfortable to do from here to here, right? There is another way. Okay, so what's the other way? Let me explain. The other way is to change the 1. Okay, change the 1 into 3 to the power of 0 over 3 cubed. Alright? And since it's a division, it's 3 to the power of 0 minus 3, which at the end is just 3 to the power of negative 3. Same thing as what we had here. Okay, now next step. Since it's a division, we minus the powers. 3 to the power of negative 3 minus half n equals to 3 to the power of 0. And there's a reason why we change all to base 3, so that we can compare the powers right now. So negative 3 minus half n will be equals to 0. Negative 3 is equals to half n. Alright, and we can rewrite this. Half n is negative 3. N is just, take this 2 times over, n is just negative 3 times 2. N is equals to negative 6 for this particular question.